Hello students and welcome to the course Project and Project Management. In last session we have seen project, project constraint and project structure. In this session we will be learning about the project management process group. There are 5 project management process group. First is initiation, second is planning, third is execution, fourth is monitoring and controlling, and last is closing. First is initiation process group. Under initiation process group there are 2 important processes. One is develop project charter and identify stakeholder. Develop project charter is the first process in project management where we are starting the project. We get authorization to start the project as well as authority for the project manager. Second process is identify stakeholder. Stakeholder are those resources who will be working with project from start to end. So we need to identify them from the beginning. Although it is a continuous process, but it is better to identify stakeholder in a beginning stage. That is the reason the first process is given in initiation process group. After initiation, there is a planning process group. In the planning process group, important processes develop project management plan. It's a complete comprehensive project management plan. So to develop project management plan, we require other plan like scope management, time management, cost management, quality management, human resource management, communication management, risk management, procurement plan, and stakeholder management. All those plans are required in a planning process group. So after planning process group, we'll move to the execution process group. Execution process group having direct and managed project execution process, perform quality assurance, acquiring a project team, then developing a project team and managing a project team is under execution process group. Then manage communications, conduct procurement and stakeholder engagement. All these processes are under execution process group. After execution is a monitoring and controlling process group. Under the monitoring and controlling process group, monitor and control project work, perform integrated change control board. Any changes in between in a project will go through the integrated change control board. Then verification of scope. And then again controlling of scope. Same way in a schedule part, controlling of schedule, controlling of cost, quality control, control communication, controlling of risk, administration of procurement, and controlling of stakeholder engagement. All this process under monitoring and controlling process group. After monitoring and controlling process group, the next is a closing process group. In a closing process group, there are 2 process: close project or phase and close procurement. Close project or phase is a process where customer give approval to the product or service. Once we received a customer satisfaction, customer approval, then we'll move forward to the close procurement process. So student, we have seen details about all the 5 process group: initiation, planning,